think you might have the wrong number.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of the Donkey Bonker. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I got my hair did. It's shorter and also it's shaved on the side and the back. Be great for the summer. Anyway, today we are finishing cleaning up this carburetor. There's some junk hiding in that somewhere. We got some more parts to clean up in here. But first, we're gonna get started on this, get this all cleaned up, and yeah, we're just gonna go from there. So we're gonna start off with a nice little time lapse of getting this all clean, because I know you guys like your time lapses. Lapse wasn't too boring. I mean, it was just cleaning a carburetor. It wasn't probably the most exciting thing in the world. But yeah, I'll be back in the AM. Alright, good Thursday afternoon, I think it is. Today, we're back at it. We're going to be putting this carburetor back together. I got another carburetor up here, that I am probably going to scavenge some parts from, probably the manual choke, because, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I might swap that out because, I don't know if I want to deal with the electric choke right now, or I might just say fuck it, not hook it up, and let it do its thing. This carburetor is actually rusted a little bit down in that bowl there, and it's all jagged and missing part of its shit. So let's hope that doesn't affect it too much. I haven't rebuilt a carburetor since I was probably in high school, and even then it was kind of one of those things where I more have watched than actually did. So, you know, this is gonna be interesting. This is where we're going to cut the video this week. I hope the carburetor assembly stuff was cool. And, you know, this whole cleaning stuff up, the valve cover painting stuff. Stick around because Donkey Bonkers is going to get a hell of a lot more exciting in the next coming months as we get it running and working again and back doing what it does as a utility truck, and that's hauling cargo and whatever else I need it to do.